And the color blue.
Blue? This one?
Yes.
Yes, all right. Okay. So, all right. So read.
Sam can run.
Good job. Sam can run. Okay, we can move to boxes. 1, 2. Next.
He can run fast.
He can run fast. Good. Okay, we can move to boxes. 1, 1, 2. Next.
He is the best.
Good. He is the best. All right. So we can move to boxes. 1, 2. We go to the next.
Look, Sam has a flag.
Good. Look, Sam has a flag. We can move to boxes. 1, 2.
Sam is glad he has a flag.
Good. Sam is glad he has a flag. Good job. All right, so we can move to boxes. 1, 2. All right, good job, Iman. Congratulations.